Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Just a little something to show y'all. Easy, really good for the 4th of July. It's coming up. And this is a non-cooking thing. I'm gonna put together just a real simple charcuterie board. If you don't have a charcuterie board, you can put this out on plastic, ware, paper plates, all that kind of thing. You just kind of build as you go. So I wanted to show y'all that. Great for Sunday afternoon porch sitting or getting together with family and friends for the 4th of July, okay? I also am gonna share with y'all a really great recipe, easy, for homemade ice cream. You know what, I'll do that first, okay? In this ice cream container, we have a White Mountain ice cream maker that we've had for years. This is one of the easiest and one of the most delicious chocolate ice cream recipes. Let me put it right here for you. It has 3 ingredients, okay? I think this is a 6 quart. Anyway, I mixed this up earlier this morning. I'm getting ready to put it in the sink and churn it. It is a half gallon of chocolate milk, or to whatever your container will hold, but it's chocolate milk, 1 Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk, 1 can, and also 1 container of Cool Whip. And literally, you just mix it together, pour it in your ice cream freezer. It tastes like a country version of a Wendy's Frosty, okay? 3 ingredients. I'm gonna put that back here because I'm not ready to do that. But I am gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do to put together my charcuterie board, okay? One thing I like to put on my charcuterie board is some fruit, and I have some grapes that I Instacarted. Nice, refreshing grapes. You can put anything and everything that you like or your family likes on a board like this. I just happen to have a board that was made by an Amish family, and I love it, and I don't get to use it as often as I would like, but I'll show you how I'm just gonna kind of build here. Great way to use your pepper jelly or your cream cheese, pepper jelly kind of mixtures. I'm gonna take the leftovers, what's left in my small one, and I'm gonna put some pepper jelly out with some crackers. And we'll show y'all how I like to do that. I have a 8-ounce cream cheese, and I like my pepper jelly with cream cheese. So I'm gonna probably cut this in 2 and put it maybe in here. And I'm gonna start building around that, because that's actually one of my favorite things to have on a charcuterie board. I'm just gonna cut right through it. It does not have to be fancy and a lot of thought put to it to look cute and be delicious, okay? So I am going to put 4 ounces or so of cream cheese in just a little dish that I have. Like I said, you can use plastic. I've got a plastic cup too. I've got another dish too, okay? And I'm just gonna pour my pepper jelly over top of that. And then I'll put some crackers. Grab a spatula. I'll put some crackers around that. Charcuterie boards are kind of like an art piece. You can make them anything you want to. Now this is another pepper jelly that I canned last year, and it's my last one. There we go. Anyway, let me get a bottle opener. I've seen my cousin Lisa use her charcuterie board for cookouts, and she puts cold cuts on it and lettuce and tomato and all that good stuff that you put on burgers. Or you can really do what you want to with that. Okay, this one is so full. Let me get a spoon. I just think when it's hot outside and you're having cookouts or porch sitting time in the heat, a charcuterie board can be just the ticket. All right, there's my pepper jelly, and I'm gonna set this to the side. You could put strawberry jelly, whatever jam or jelly you like, okay? All right, now I'm gonna put a few of these cherry tomatoes. They've been washed. And if I don't use them, they'll just sit in there and go bad in the refrigerator. So I like to do a charcuterie board, get rid of some stuff that will go bad on me. I'm gonna slice some cheese as well. I have a little container from the Dollar General of these little sweet and salty snacks. I'm gonna put some of those out, but I'm gonna use that little bowl for my olives. Slow and steady, but it's gonna be cute. And you can use this as an appetizer, or you know, have it on your salad table at a gathering. We'll put some olives. I'm also gonna put, all right, let me stop for a second. Regroup. This particular charcuterie board is made out of burl wood. And it's finished, and then mineral oil that is, you know, food friendly is rubbed on it. So you can put all this stuff on it, nothing runny, and wipe it off, okay? Like with a warm washcloth. I can put pickles and literally just set them however you want on your charcuterie board. I've got a few of these pretzel crisp chips or whatever. And I'm gonna just lay a little section off of those. I've got a few club crackers. We'll come over here with those. And like I said, you can be creative. You really can be creative with this. Dried fruit is really good on it. I just don't have any at the moment. The imaginary farmer did get me some hoop cheese. He knows I love hoop cheese. So I'm gonna cut just a few pieces of that. You could do pepperoni. Really great if you're having company, or if it's like a tailgate. Love a charcuterie board. Really nice like at a wine tasting. It's just an endless idea. The ideas are endless. I've also seen people do a candy charcuterie board, like at Easter. There's just all different kinds of candy everywhere. Now I did have some hard salami that I ordered through Instacart. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of that, and I'm just gonna slice through it. Or you could curl it up. You know, if you wanted to be fancy and pretty, you could curl it up and lay it like this. You know what, I might just do that. I was gonna cut it, but I believe I've got space right here. And I'm just gonna roll this up. It's also, you know, a great little snack tray when you've got just a little bit of this and a little bit of that. See how it's coming together? Listen, the boys around here, they don't appreciate this kind of, you know, artistic food thing. They just want to eat it. But it makes me feel better to have it all prettied up sometimes. I've got a few little charcuterie, little bitty spoons, and I'll just put those in there. But this way, y'all get the idea, okay? I think I ordered these on Amazon. They're just cute little petite little, I'll put that right there. And I'll keep this one out as I keep going. The other thing I like about these is as you're entertaining or having your afternoon snack or whatever, you can just replace stuff as you need it. But that is how I build my charcuterie board with just stuff that I have at the house. And there it is, beautiful and ready to eat. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Don't forget that chocolate ice cream though for 4th of July. It is bomb.com, promise. See y'all.